Good evening, folks. We're live at 7:46. Running a 15 winner mini for Rob's Han Carbonite. There you can see 1st through 15th. 30 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Copy the list of 30 here. Paste the list of 30 here, which you see we got them all over there, which is neat. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better. Which we did. We got a pair of 3s, which is 6, which means we are good to go. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Brandon in the top 2 spots for round 1. Oleg round 2. Wolf 3. Brandon takes round 4, this time with number 29. Joe takes our penultimate round, round 5, with number 12, bringing us to the ever important final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Bunch of winners coming up right now. And our winners are Wolf, Joe, Brandon, Wolf, Dan, Wolf, Brandon, Wolf, Brandon, Joe, Dave, Wolf, Wolf, Oleg, Oleg. There you have it. A lot of winners there. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification. Make it official. Ideally. QKUCXO. Was just waiting for a minute there to load up. 1 through 15. There it is. I am done at 7:48 p.m. as you can see here. One more time, here's the official results. Congratulations to our winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.